Welcome. In front of me is a Pixel 10, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your hotspot. So, to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then you can swipe down again, which will reveal more toggles. Hopefully one of them will be our hotspot, but looks like no. So we will need to add it. We can do so by clicking right here on this pencil, and I can see already right here. Click on the plus and then go back, and now you have it on one of the pages. From here, before you click on it to turn it on, I recommend holding it, as this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize most importantly the hotspot password. This is a randomly generated password without navigating here. There's no way of knowing what it is actually set to. Now I recommend just straight up getting rid of it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters or numbers, or both. And you can click on OK, which will automatically save the password. From here we can close this and find the toggle once more. And this time around just simply tap on it to enable it whenever you want to use your hotspot. Now once you're done using it, you can click on this toggle once more to turn it off. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.